Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First, let me show you how to access the app menu on the watch and show you how it looks like. So, press the side button to wake up the screen on your watch, then you can press it again to open the menu. And here we have the app menu. As you can see, in this menu we have basically different icons for the apps, shortcuts, and we can tap on them to open the specific apps. And we can customize this menu. To do it, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the profile icon. Here you should see the list of my devices. On this list, you should see the Zepp E watch. Tap on it. Now, find the option called App List Management and tap on it. And right here we can customize the list. We can do a couple of things. We can hide the items from the list. So basically if you don't want to see some icon on this list, you can hide it. We can unhide the items if you have any items hidden. And we can change the order of the items on the list. To hide the item, simply find the item you want to hide, for example, schedule. Press and hold the sorting button next to it, and then drag it to the hidden items list. And once you scroll up, or rather tap on the save button right here in the top right corner, wake up the screen, open the menu, the schedule should be gone. And as you can see, it's not here. Okay, to unhide the item, find the item on the hidden list right here in this menu, press and hold, drag it to the normal list and drop it in the position you want it to be in. For example, here, schedule, right above settings, tap on save. And when we reopen the menu, the schedule will be here, as you can see. Okay, and to change the order on the list, simply find the app you want to move, press and hold the sorting button next to it, and then drag the icon to the place you want it to be in and drop it, and then tap on save to save the settings. And when we open the menu now, the widgets will be at the top. And that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.